I picked up this authentic MCM mid-sized dresser with 3 drawers. No good before photos, unfortunately. It was in very good shape except for one major glaring issue. Part of the wooden curved drawer pull was broken off and completely missing. My plan was to try and rebuild the handle and then do a light restoration on the rest. I started by sanding the open, broken, exposed area, then decided to use a 2-part wood epoxy to rebuild the curved lip. I only had room to add one small finishing nail to act as a partial support, so I added that first. Very official, very engineered. Then I mixed the epoxy thoroughly and carefully shaped it into a new handle lip. I did go back a second time with more epoxy, but I didn't catch that on camera. Once it was hard, I went in with sanding blocks and hand sanded the edge to try to match the curve of the other 2 drawers. Because of the curvature, I knew I couldn't get it exactly right, but at some point I decided we were no longer chasing perfection. I added some Bondo glazing gel to fill in any microscopic cracks, then sanded it down smooth before spraying a very generous amount of shellac over the entire area. Next, I started color matching with my furniture paints. I used a mid-tone brown as the base and also touched up a few other drawer corners I had patched. After that first coat, I sealed it again with shellac to protect the layer. While that dried, I gave the entire piece a very light sand with 600 grit sandpaper, just enough to knock down the finish slightly and smooth out a few imperfections. Then I used Restore Finish in the color Walnut to restore that beautiful finish. I applied it on the base, I went to the legs, the tops, the sides, and all of the drawers, polishing it with a napkin in this case. Then I went back to the reconstructed handle and applied a generous layer of walnut toner, sealing with shellac in between. I wasn't satisfied with the color, so I pulled out my Blend-All sticks and adjusted it until it blended better with the rest of the piece. And here's how it turned out. I think the end result is beautiful. Now, I'm not going to say the handle is perfect. If I had the woodworking tools, I probably would have recreated it out of wood. But for now, this was my "we're making it work" version. I made sure to mention the handle repair in the listing because I'm not trying to fool anyone. It sold within 2 days at full asking price, which I'll take as validation. And the warm walnut tones came out so nicely, and that top handle looks close enough to the other 2. It's really only if you're up close and inspecting it like a detective that you'll even notice the difference. So let me know what you think. Did I do this piece justice? Or should I go to furniture flipper jail for committing such a travesty? My name is Meg, and I show you practical tips for refinishing and flipping furniture. Be sure to hit the follow button for more.